Imagine Europe between the years 500 and 1400. This period, known as the Middle Ages, was a time of great change and upheaval. Yet, amidst the turmoil, a remarkable artistic spirit flourished. This era gave birth to what we now call medieval art. Medieval art wasn't just one style. It evolved over centuries, reflecting changing beliefs and ideas. Early medieval art was often deeply connected to religion. The Christian church was a powerful force, and art served to tell biblical stories and inspire faith. This was a world where many people couldn't read. Art became a way to communicate powerful messages and ideas. It was a visual language everyone could understand. Around the year 1000, a new style of art emerged in Europe, Romanesque. Just like the powerful Roman Empire that came before, Romanesque buildings were impressive and strong. They had thick walls, rounded arches, and small windows. Imagine stepping inside a Romanesque church. The space feels enclosed and solemn, illuminated by the soft glow of candles. On the walls you see large-scale paintings called frescoes. These colorful scenes depict biblical stories, reminding people of the power of God and the importance of faith. By the 12th century, a new artistic wind began to blow through Europe, the Gothic style. Unlike the sturdy Romanesque, Gothic architecture was all about reaching for the heavens. Think soaring towers, pointed arches, and huge stained glass windows that bathe the interiors in colored light. One of the most striking features of Gothic cathedrals is their stained glass windows. These intricate works of art depicted biblical stories and saints, illuminating the spiritual message for all to see. But Gothic art wasn't limited to architecture. This era also saw the rise of illuminated manuscripts, handwritten books decorated with elaborate lettering, borders, and illustrations. These precious objects showcase the exquisite skill of medieval artists and the importance placed on the written word. Looking back, we see both differences and connections between Romanesque and Gothic art. Romanesque, with its solid forms and dark interiors, evokes a sense of awe and solemnity. Gothic, on the other hand, inspires a feeling of upward movement, with light pouring through stained glass, guiding our eyes towards the heavens. Despite their differences, both styles were deeply rooted in the Christian faith. They served to inspire awe and connect people to the divine. Today, Romanesque and Gothic cathedrals and artworks stand as enduring testaments to the creativity and skill of medieval artists. They offer us a window into the past, reminding us of the power of art to inspire, amaze, and connect us across centuries.